ने बताया, बिजनेस प्रेजेंटेशन तो दिखा दिया, लेकिन इस बिजनेस में कैसे हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। तो इसके लिए एक छोटा सा ट्रेनिंग, छोटा सा नगेट्स हमें इस स्पीकर से जानने को मिलेगा। तो एक अच्छा ट्रेनिंग है, सभी जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स है और नए लोग हैं, इनके लिए बहुत काम का ट्रेनिंग है। तो मैं इनवाइट करना चाहता हूँ वंस अगेन ऑन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म शंकर देवराज। शंकर भाई प्लीज।
नए लोग सोचते होंगे या एग्जिस्टिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर सोचते होंगे कि बड़ी इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बात शंकर ने कही। उन्होंने क्या अचीव किया इस बिजनेस में? आई मीन, और मेरे को एक आइडिया लगा कि आई मस्ट टेल यू, ये स्लाइड ले जाऊं मैं। आई टेक यू बैक टू द स्लाइड। आई टेक यू बैक टू द स्लाइड एंड टेल यू व्हाट ऑल वी गॉट। So first about home, we have not only one home, we have multiple homes today. We have a home where I'm talking you from. We have a home in our farmhouse, right? उसके बाद एक तीसरा home है जहाँ which we have converted into an office where Sangeeta does all her production work, right? And we almost bought a fourth home, but it didn't work out well. But choice जबरदस्त है to own multiple homes. You know, second car. वो एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम था. When we joined this business, we had just one car. Today we have two good cars. I'm thinking of buying a third car, right? And very very nice cars. You know, and the choice to replace them frequently and vacations. Thanks to the opportunity, we have gone to fantastic destinations. Pura North America देखे thanks to the opportunity. We've gone to a substantial amount of Europe thanks to the opportunity. स्विट्जरलैंड के ट्रिप्स में गए 2 बार. एक रॉयल कैरिबियन क्रूज में गए. You know, we have visited a good part of Southeast Asia, all Asian destinations. बहुत सारे Asian destinations गए हैं, right? Substantial amount of savings, but a nice asset base, of savings, apart from all the assets and property that we have, right? अभी recently, charity, we recently also had the opportunity to, जो हमारे farm में we got the opportunity to build up a Gurukul and a temple also there. We have two wonderful children, both are good performing musicians. One is an engineer, one is a chartered accountant, very well settled in life. बहुत ही अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल है, 22 ईयर्स से फ्री एंड रिटायर्ड है. मैं ये सब बोस करने के नहीं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम टेलिंग दिस टू यू बिकॉज दिस इज योर फ्यूचर. एंड फॉर द लास्ट 22 ईयर्स वी हैव substantial amount of time and money. Yes, I had a consulting business for some years. Chirag, you're right. But I could do that consulting business on my own terms, mostly working from home. And I had plenty of time to enjoy the money I was making. Right? And because I had the cushion of a very big, successful, profitable Amway business, I could leverage that strength even also in my consulting work. Nobody could exploit me. You tend to get exploited only when you don't have options, right? But when you have a very powerful, so we qualified Emerald and remained founder Emerald for many many years, right? So that is substantial income year after year after year after year in India, right? So we could maintain a great lifestyle because of the opportunity. Early retirement तो हुआ होगा ही, जैसे चिराग ने बताया. I retired when I was in my early 40s thanks to this opportunity. And well-being तो हो ही गया because of all these dimensions, right? And the best part about the education system that we are a part of is it also teaches you emotional well-being thanks to the mentorship program. ये सब चीज आपको याद दिलाना होता है खुद को भी कि कितना बड़ा ब्लेसिंग है इस बिजनेस में. बट ये सब चीज पाने के लिए करना क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू हैव टू डू इन दिस बिजनेस? You have to get into this game, of doing these things properly. क्या है? What are the doing these things properly? First is you get your personal circle in order. अपना personal circle को पक्का करना है. There should be at least 200 points in total personal volume. That is some points in personal consumption and some points in retail sales. वो तो होना ही चाहिए. आज के दिन में इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये 200 पॉइंट्स नहीं करते हैं. दे कैन डू एज मच एज 2000 पॉइंट्स इन अ मंथ बिकॉज दे आर कंटिन्यूअसली सर्विसिंग कस्टमर्स. एंड जो भी वॉल्यूम आप करेंगे वो आपके टीम में डुप्लीकेट हो. right? And then when you're doing this, you get excited about the idea of sponsoring people and scaling the business up. क्योंकि अगर आप ये systematic basis पे ये retail customers की business कर रहे हैं आप, if you're doing that on a systematic basis, then what happens is when you get people in your team, you'll tell them to do the same and you'll help them to do the same. Initially, it's a lot of work, you servicing your own customers and helping your downlines service customers. But थोड़ी दिन के बाद ये सभी लोग train हो जाते हैं. And if you get the right people on board, you will very rapidly scale this business to a number of people who will duplicate it. Just like I brought Arun into the business. Arun was very teachable and very, very quickly learned. And over a period of a few months, he was doing exactly what I was doing in my business and more. So उसके result ये हुआ कि his business continued to scale. And then after some years, he went diamond in the business and remained qualified as a diamond for many, many years. So we made fortunes through this opportunity because of staying consistent with doing personal volume and then scaling up. So अगर आप ये business में already है, what efforts are you putting up to maintain your personal volume? And what efforts are you putting to scale your business? दुनिया बाहर बहुत गोल है and people are looking for opportunity. If you can pitch this opportunity in the right way, with the right conviction, you will get the right people on board. I assure you. And to make sure that you remain excited, what I would suggest is that you do the 9 core steps regularly. Particularly 9 core steps, 4 steps are extremely important. One is being in communication with your upline. Second is listening to audios daily. Third is reading from the recommended list of books daily and attending all meetings consistently. Abhi Sunday ka meeting hone wala hai. If you are in Bombay or in the vicinity, I would encourage you to come to that meeting. Very soon we will have these meetings scaling up to all cities in the country. Very rapidly it will happen again, right? Pune, Surat, Ahmedabad, everywhere meetings will start. And who are the people who will conduct those meetings? People who are doing this work of bringing a team on board. So you have to continuously do that. Let us say you add some people and those people are no longer in the business. Are you going to sit down and cry, or are you going to just replace them? भारत में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में मालूम भी नहीं है कुछ भी, या अगर मालूम है तो गलत फहमी से भरे हुए हैं. बट व्हेन यू शो द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड शो इट इन द राइट माइंडसेट एंड द राइट क्या बोलते हैं thought process, right? People will join you and acknowledge you as an unquestioned leader in this business. एंड नए आदमी को पता नहीं है कि आप एमरल्ड हो कि प्लैटिनम हो कि सिल्वर हो कि आप 15% हो कि 9%, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. अगर आप एक्साइटेड है एंड इफ यू हैव लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, गो एंड टेल पीपल, बॉस आई हैव गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी विद यू, आई कैन लीड यू टू सक्सेस. बोल सकते हैं क्या आप? ट्राई इट आउट विद अ फ्यू पीपल. Go and tell them that I have a great opportunity and I can lead you to success in this business, and over a period of time you can also become a leader like me. बोल सकते हैं आप? ट्राई करके देखिए ना कुछ लोगों के साथ. It works wonders. And servicing customers has become easy. Gradually हमारे personal productivity है ना इस business में, it's grown. Initially 100 points, 200 points था कई सालों के लिए. Now after COVID, we have scaled that number. Now 600, 700 points every month is a piece of cake. Every month होता है. एंड अगर आपको डिसाइड करना है कि व्हाट इज द पर्सनल सर्कल दैट आई वांट टू स्केल इन माय टीम, इनिशियली बहुत साल के लिए माय गोल वाज टू स्केल अ 100 पॉइंट सर्कल, सो आई डिड 100 पॉइंट्स. टुडे आई से आई विल स्केल अ 500 to 700 points personal circle, and that is what I'm going to teach to my people. And with the right customers, you can have 5 customers buying that volume repeatedly. Why? I'm telling you, it will blow your mind. Yes, COVID के टाइम में बहुत सारे businesses affect हुए. Our business also got affected. But now it is on an upsurge. अभी जो BBSs हुए last month throughout अभी ये जून के महीने में throughout the country, record numbers all over in all BBSs. And from September onwards, you will have those events on a regular, ongoing, bi-monthly basis being conducted throughout the country. And आपको करना क्या है? To bring these people into the business and feed those people to those seminars. And what you'll find, हमने क्या किया? We grew this team and fed them to seminars. Grew this team, fed them to seminars. There was a time in which we were pulling more than 3,500 people to functions from our team on an ongoing basis for BBSs regularly for many, many years. Then things came to an abrupt end with COVID, जब मीटिंग सब बंद हो गए, so वो metric हमारे हाथ से निकल गया. But that metric has now come back in our hands. How do you measure success in this business? Join people in this business, take and make sure they attend the BBS. And the more people you at Kumar taught a simple concept, get people into the business, teach them the right things, and get them in and invite them to functions and make sure they come. The moment you got people coming to functions consistently, they become core distributors. And आपका asset क्या है? The number of core distributors in your team. It's such a simple concept, guys. Sponsor people, teach them a few things, get them to the function. Get those people to sponsor a few more people, teach them a few things, get them to the function. धीरे 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 scale हो जाएगा. What I foresee happening in the next 2-3 years time, all those numbers that were there pre-COVID, they'll all come back and we'll exceed ourselves in 3 to 5 years time from now. You will be very happy if you build this business very aggressively on an ongoing basis, day to day, starting from now. We are putting in all the initiatives. जो presentation में आप आज को दिखाया, this is a presentation which is also going to be adopted. This presentation was actually conceived totally slide by slide by our leader Anu Patak. And then the slides were refined by a team of about 15 and 20 sapphires and up in our team about 4-5 years back. And now this presentation is going to be and this presentation was also reviewed slide by Kumar and Anjali about 4-5 years back. These slides have been adopted from time to time, adapted for only the numbers which you see on these pages. But now this is going to become a national standard, and we should all give our very, very strong appreciation to many people, leaders in this group who participated in making these slides, and particularly Arun Patak, who conceptualized all the slides, how they're going to come one after the other. And it's very, very been strongly appreciated by the leadership in the company as well as Kumar and Anjali. So these slides are going to become the national standard, and they've got enough information for new people to look at the business and join it. So I recommend करता हूँ कि your goal should be have at least start with 3 to 5 appointments a week where you can show this plan to people. Many people are out of touch with the idea of showing this plan to people 3 to 5 times a week. In fact, majority of the people on this call are out of touch with that idea. How long are you going to wait? Right? कितने और साल बचे हैं when you can remain actively productive and build something of value. Think about it, guys. If you're in your 30s, maybe you have another 20, 30 years. If you're in your 40s, you got maybe another 20 years. If you're in your 50s, maybe you got 10, 15 years. If you're in your 60s and if you got energy, maybe you still got 15 years. Today I replaced my bike again. I bought another top market bike. Some people are smiling. Kumar is smiling. Kumar and Meenakshi are smiling. I bought my third bike today. Today I bought a premium bike. An absolutely premium upmarket bike, which I can literally lift with my finger. It's a premium, super premium alloy bike. Costs a lot of money. But I picked it up just 2 hours before the meeting and drove it back home. इतना मजा आता है, guys, I'm telling you. To get up in the morning, freshen up, and then go for a beautiful 1.5 hour drive on the bike in this beautiful monsoon weather in Bombay. Yeah, so if you're in your 60s, you can still have 15, 20 years. But that work could depend only on what you did before that, right? So if you did your first 30, 40 years properly of your productive career, then you can have a great time in the remaining 30, 40 years also. So we are in that phase right now. So still getting new things, new toys, new cars, new bikes. So I'll put up a picture of the bike that I bought, in the new gear tomorrow for the group. And I just picked up very late. By the time I got back home, it was 7:30. And I parked the bike, quickly rushed up home, showered up, got ready for the meeting. Kya life, kya choices hai, guys, I'm telling you. I really wish that every one of you has the same choices. But उसके लिए करना क्या है? You have to do premium work. एंड जज किए बिना 6 महीना 9 महीना 1 साल लगे रह के विदाउट एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शन काम करो। एंड देन जब स्केल हो जाएगा आपके पास चॉइसेस हो जाएंगे, बहुत सारे चॉइसेस हो जाएंगे। स्केल होने के बाद बिजनेस अगर डिस्टर्ब भी होता है तो इनकम में कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा। इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी। you know if you are if like we are founder emeralds with two diamond organizations, so it's been extremely stable through all these unstable periods which are the last 4 5 years. Every business is go through periods of instability, but our business has been able to survive even those periods of instability because of the nature of the business. So my recommend karunga ki put in one thing I want every one of you in this call to do today is after this meeting, go back with your sponsor and game plan. I don't care what level you are in. Get humble बनकर गेम प्लान करें अपना प्लान के साथ कि ये महीना क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट मंथ क्या करना है. Set up some meaningful goals for the month of June, for the month of July, for the month of August. I mean, next month we are having the function with Kumar and Anjali in Bangalore. How many legs are you taking to that meeting? It's a 6 person enough function. एंड कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि अरे 5 6 घंटे का मीटिंग के लिए लोग को इतना दूर ले जाना है. इट डज नॉट मैटर बॉस. ये बिजनेस में क्या है ना, वो 6 घंटे में 2 3 घंटे का इंफॉर्मेशन कुमार जी देंगे. दैट इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी प्राइसलेस. Supposing Kumarji is able to energize some people in your team and they come back and start putting in consistent action. देखिए ये मैजिकल होता है कि ये बिजनेस में कंसिस्टेंट एक्शन लोग कब डालना शुरू करते हैं. एंड इनवेरिएबली वी फाइंड दैट पीपल पुट अप कंसिस्टेंट एक्शन as a result of attending a function. So you have to attend the Bangalore function not because you should not say अरे 5 घंटा ही सिखाएगा, क्या सिखा देगा, चलो बॉम्बे में से सुन लेते हैं. तो लोग पूछने भी लगे जूम में मिल जाएगा क्या वो मीटिंग. There is not going to be any Zoom translation of that meeting. You are serious about your business, invest the time, effort, come there. For first few years in the business, wherever Kumar told us to come, we went. Doesn't matter. There are times in which I followed him to meetings in 2 3 cities in India just to get his mindset and thought process. That वो कभी कभी आधा घंटा भी हो सकता है, where he says something useful, something very very powerful. और आप रिकग्निशन में वो मीटिंग में कुछ लोगों को देखते हैं, उनको देखकर लगता है कि अरे यार ये अगर आदमी इतना ग्रो कर सकता है तो मैं भी ग्रो कर सकता हूँ. दैट इज इनफ. तो आप 20 30 हज़ार रुपये खर्च किए टू अटेंड दैट मीटिंग, इट्स पेड ऑफ बिकॉज यू मेड अ डिसीजन. एंड वंस यू मेक अ डिसीजन एंड यू गो प्लैटिनम, राइट, यू एंड you make 1 and 1.5 lakhs a month. सो दैट जो 20 30 हज़ार रुपया आपने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, आप एक हफ्ते की इनकम में रिकवर कर जाएंगे उसको. So I would encourage you to very strongly, you know, contemplate on attending that function with a few legs. There is still 1 month's time. Qualify a few legs and come there with them. And see, we are now going to build this business like we built it in the past. Regular open meetings, regular BBSs, regular leadership meetings. ये सब शुरू हो जाएंगे. कुछ लोग सोच सर खोज खुजला के एनालाइज करते रहेंगे कि क्या मिलेगा हमको, right? Some people will just participate in all these sessions, grow their team in energy and excitement, and catapult their business up. आप कौन सी कैटेगरी में है, right? I want to see how many people are attending the Bangalore leadership. हाथ उठा सकते हैं please? Rest of the people, we have 10 people who raise their hands. In mine hand too, because I'm going to be there. So I think I should also raise my hand. Okay, I've also raised my hand, right? So we are all attending the Bangalore leadership. Baki log, think about it. What if you miss some critical information there? So coming to the Bangalore leadership is not about the expense that you'll undergo in the Bangalore leadership. Many people are flying in the morning, early morning, attending the leadership and taking the night flight back home. They're not even staying in Bangalore. Right? That's all right. That's okay. That's fine. It's better than not attending the meeting. Some people are staying a night there. Some people are staying 2 nights there because they want to associate more with the leadership. I tell you, people who make quality decisions in attending such meetings, coming early, staying late, they are the people who are going to move on, guys. That's what we've learned in all these years in the business. People who engage with these functions, actively participate in them, come with energy and excitement. They are the people who grow. Right? मेरे को भी after COVID, I had some challenge in trying to accept this idea of a national event some distance away. But more than 200 people are going to be there in Bangalore from the Kumar and Anjali LOS for the meeting. 6% and up leaders. And that number is growing every day. Last week, kuch ka count was about 220 people. So join us for the meeting. And agar aap Bombay mein hai, join us for the meeting on Sunday. I'm doing the presentation again in person. I'd love to have you guys there and talk to you and engage with you. And we can just walk down after the meeting. And there's a beautiful restaurant downstairs. We can have coffee and chai there together. Talk, game plan. सब कुछ कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So with that, I'm done for the evening. Back to Chirag, and it was lovely talking to you guys.
Thank you, Shankar bhai. Thank you very much for a super training. एंड शंकर भाई की ये बात तो सही है कि बेंगलोर लीडरशिप में सही में मज़ा आएगा, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. वी विल हैव अ ग्रेट फन. टीचिंग होगी और ग्रेट फन. एंड ऐसा ही मीटिंग हम अगले गुरुवार को करेंगे. और अगले गुरुवार अरुण भाई हमारा हेल्थ सेशन
नहीं,
होगा.
अगले गुरुवार नहीं है मीटिंग. तो वी हैव आर्टिस्ट अचीवर क्लब एट कलकत्ता,
ओके.
द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट जोन. सो मेनी ऑफ अस आर ट्रैवलिंग देयर.
फाइन.
So we'll
तो
next session in July 3rd.
ओके.
And of course, the session in Bombay on 22nd.
Yeah, Bombay
यस,
session. Yeah.
22 बॉम्बे. यस. फाइन. तो हम यहाँ हमारा ये जो मीटिंग है, डिजिटल मीटिंग है, यहाँ हम एंड कर रहे हैं. एंड क्राउन नाइट.
Good night, guys.
थैंक यू. एक मिनट, हम सबको अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं.
Thank you, Shankar bhai. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Arun bhai.
Thank you,
Good night,
Shankar.
everyone.
Good night.
गुड नाइट एवरीवन.
Good night.
Good night.
चिराग भाई बहुत बढ़िया आपने आज होस्टिंग किया. ग्रेट.
थैंक यू.
चिराग तो एवरग्रीन है, अभी भी 25 साल का लड़का दिखता है. Really, honestly, I've never paid a more honest compliment today.
थैंक यू शंकर भाई. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
I think let me see if I can get that bike up. जो बाइक
हाँ.
आज खरीदा.
बाय द वे, गुजराती लोगों के लिए बाइक जो शंकर भाई बोल रहे हैं वो साइकिल है.
हाँ, सही है.
होंडा का बाइक या बजाज का बाइक नहीं है.
साइकिल ही है.
बहुत
एक मिनट. हाँ.
बहुत सारे गुज्जू लोग समझेंगे कि ये बाइक क्या चला रहे हैं शंकर भाई.
अच्छा, I'm going to put up that bike.
हाँ.
एक मिनट. एक्चुअली थोड़ा घर के गैरेज में पार्क है ये, so I'll share it and I'll talk about the bike a little bit. दिख रहा है आप लोग को?
यस.
It's a premium aluminum alloy bike and ये बाइक का जो शैसी है ना, ये जो फ्रेम है, एक ही जगह पे वेल्डेड है. राइट. एंड मेरी पिछली बाइक में सामने वाले 3 गियर्स थी और पीछे वाले 8 गियर थे. और वो गियर्स को सामने वाले और पीछे वाले को मैनेज करना हमेशा चैलेंजिंग होता था. सो नाउ आई बॉट अ बाइक, ऑफ कोर्स डबल द कॉस्ट ऑफ माई ओल्ड बाइक, पर उसमें सामने में गियर ही नहीं है, पीछे 11 गियर है.
अच्छा.
इसमें कोई भी चढ़ाव में जाएंगे तो बिल्कुल जीरो एफर्ट. चढ़ाव में तेजी से पेडल करना पड़ता है, बट पैर में कोई जोर ही नहीं रहेगा. अच्छा, लाइट में कल निकालूंगा फोटोग्राफ. देखो, भगवान का हार भी चढ़ा है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स पुराने बाइक के कुछ गैजेट सब मैंने ट्रांसफर कर लिया है बाइक को. पुराना बाइक दे दिया वहीं पर.
अच्छा.
दिस बाइक कैन डू इजीली 30 किलोमीटर an hour speed, easy, and it's got large empty bit tires. तो इट इज एन ऑल टेरेन बाइक. मैं ये ले जाकर आई कैन डू ऑफ रोडिंग भी कर सकता हूँ इसके साथ. करूंगा नहीं, बट आई कैन डू ऑफ रोडिंग ऑल्सो.
अच्छा.
तो ये छोटे छोटे लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस. 2-3 दिन पहले देखा, एक्चुअली महेश को बाइक लेना था, वहां गए, and then we found a very nice option for him otherwise. तो पिकअप नहीं किया, तभी ये बाइक मैंने देख लिया, and I
अच्छा
picked it up today. It's my third bike in 4 years.
शंकर भाई, कॉस्ट क्या है इसकी?
50,000 rupees.
ओ
दिस इज माउंटेन बाइक ना शंकर भाई?
मेरे तीनों बाइक माउंटेन बाइक थे,
हम्म।
बट दिस इज इसमें बाइक में 1/11 का जो है ना, दैट इज न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी.
हाँ, दैट्स गुड।
इसका जो गियर सिस्टम है, इट इज द हाईएस्ट एंड यू कांट गेट बेटर गियर्स इन बाइक्स देन व्हाट इज बीन यूज्ड इन दिस बाइक. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज एक्सट्रीमली लाइट, तो साइकिल को आराम से उठा के शोल्डर में डाल के जा सकते हैं.
अच्छा।
ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस.
Which company, Shankar?
It's called United Clovis 5.10. United is a brand.
Uh-huh.
United Clovis 5.10 model number. It's got hydraulic disc brakes.
हम्म।
I mean, very nice. I mean, मेरे bike has become a passion. Cars भी है, लेकिन bikes भी passion है. एंड ये मानसून में इतना बड़ा बड़ा टायर है, तो ग्रिप पे कोई इश्यू ही नहीं रहता है. So pick this up today evening and it was good fun. I'm looking forward to getting up in the morning tomorrow and playing with this toy. ये चाइल्ड लाइक एनर्जी और एक्साइटमेंट और ये होना चाहिए. आई एम टेलिंग यू शुड, एंड दिस विल हैपन ओनली इफ यू हैव अ ड्रीम एंड यू आर वर्किंग टू इट. एंड इस बिजनेस में क्या होता है, आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू डू इट 3-5 years nicely, you will be in the extreme minority. If you do 3 to 5 years of good work in this business, you will be in the extreme majority. लोग इस बिजनेस में ज्वाइन करके they don't do regular work. You should have predominantly thinking about this business all the time and put 3-4 hours of effort in it every day, sincerely, with all your heart and soul. फिर हो जाएगा ये सब. तो ये शो ऑफ करने के लिए नहीं दिखाया, एक्चुअली अंधेरे में था, there was not too much of light, but tomorrow a nice picture will come up in all the groups.
आप जब चला रहे हो तो कोई तीसरे को बताना, आप अच्छा पिक्चर लेने के लिए.
That's right, वीडियो ले लेंगे. Absolutely.
हाँ.
And soon we are thinking of changing one of our cars, so update भी आ जाएगा आप लोगों को.
अच्छा.
वीकली 2 to 3 days शंकर भाई?
बाइकिंग
हाँ,
एवरी डे?
हाँ, एवरी डे.
एवरी डे।
1 से 1.5 घंटा?
30,000 किलोमीटर ड्राइव कर दिया पिछले 3-4 साल में.
वाह।
30,000 चिराग.
यस।
तो अच्छा, it's very healthy also, apart from it's a lot of fun and it's healthy. And Arun bhai,
Cycling and yoga is daily activity.
cycling, yoga and temple visit is daily activity. Temple visit taught by Arun Pathak. और हमारे घर के इलाके में 3-4 मंदिर है. कभी कभी साइकिलिंग करने के टाइम में 3-4 मंदिर दर्शन कर लेता हूँ एक ही दिन में.
हाँ।
एक हनुमान जी का मंदिर, एक शिव जी का मंदिर, एक गणेश जी का मंदिर, एक देवी का मंदिर. राइट.
जल चढ़ाते शंकर भाई.
हाँ, अरुण भाई से सीखा.
अरे सर.
It's a lot of fun, guys. I hope you really, and we are all there to help you. आप अकेले नहीं है. Remember that we are there with you. But are you putting in the effort? Sangeeta has just walked in. Come. Hey, we have just finished meeting. I'm just talking to people. You can just say hello. The meeting is over. I've showed them the new bike.
Oh, okay.
She's just back. Come back. Okay.
Yeah.
I said you're outstation. You're just back. Welcome back.
Yeah.
हाय संगीता भाई.
So
Namaste,
I was
Jai
just
Shri
showing.
Krishna.
I was just showing them the new toy. Talk to them for 2 minutes, no?
Yeah.
हाँ, बस अच्छा है. लाइफ चॉइसेस क्या क्या मिला इस बिजनेस से, वो सब बताया लोगों को. और लोगों को बताया कि बिजनेस इज ऑन द ट्रेमेंडसली ऑन द ग्रो, एंड आप लोग को भी सब कुछ मिल सकता है. एंड इवेंचुअली वी विल ऑल्सो, जो गुरुकुल हम सेटअप किए हैं वहां पर, वी कैन टेक ग्रुप्स ऑफ 30 people एंड एंटरटेन यू फॉर अ कपल ऑफ डेज. दैट चॉइस इज अवेलेबल. अरुण भाई आए थे, वी होस्टेड हिम फॉर 2 days देयर. कैसा लगा अरुण भाई?
आउटस्टैंडिंग. विथ नेचर एंड विथ अपलाइन बोथ एक साथ.
आप लोग वहां आ सकते हैं.
टेम्पल आने के बाद तो ग्लोरी और बढ़ गया.
It's a home which belongs to every one of us, So come over there and we'll host you like royalty. उसके लिए क्वालिफाई करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. बट क्वालिफाई करके आएंगे तो मजा आ जाएगा, यू नो।
Most welcome there.
शर्मा जी, एक दिन मन करे तो कल्याण को लेके आ जाऊंगा बाइक को। Okay, guys. So we'll catch up again, and it's wonderful. And you know, these meeting after the meeting, this is where all the magic happens. So make the decision, and if you're still thinking about coming to Bangalore, book your tickets. Arun Bhai will give you the link
Yeah.
and join us.
Right, sir. Thank you very
Right.
much.
Good night, guys.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Thank you, sir.
Good night,
Thank you.
sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Good night.